Hello and welcome everyone to my new Udemy course, which is DP 700 exam crash course. My name is Ravi Singh, and I will be discussing about how to go about this certification DP 700 Microsoft Certified Fabric Engineer certification. What are the key topics which will be covered? What are the different questions that will be asked? How you can prepare for this certification? What are the things you need to take care of? And at the end, I will also be going to show a demo, if possible with the steps, of course. And I also will be introducing a practice test which I've created on Udemy, which you can take benefit and prepare well for your certification. So it will be a very interesting course. So just stay with me. You will be getting a lot of new information. Thank you, and let's start the course.